Hi everyone, it's Susan from Escapes, and I have just checked into my room at Secrets Vallarta. I'm on the penthouse floor in room 2503, and it's lovely. They've given me a glass of champagne. Welcome, Secrets Vallarta. This is an adult-only resort, and it's in the heart of Puerto Vallarta. And they've given me a bottle of wine, Susan Gill. It's lovely when a resort recognizes that you're checking in, and they do this with all their guests, not just me. King-size bed. You could put your luggage there if you wanted. Lamps with plugins for your devices. Let's turn this on. Phone, remote. Jacuzzi tub. If you want privacy, you can let the drape fall. This would be great for a honeymoon couple. Double bowl sinks. Aren't they lovely? And your Secrets amenities. So there's shampoo, body cream, conditioner, toothpaste, outlets, toilet, shower with that type of hose, and also rainfall shower head. And the door closes, and there is bench seating. The floors are very different. They're quite unique and very pretty. My luggage is here. This is a wardrobe with enough hangers, ironing board, iron, housecoats, slippers, safe, and a scale. There is a chest of drawers with 4 drawers, so enough for a 1 or 2 week vacation for sure. Here there are glasses, coffee maker, and an ice bucket, M&Ms and Pringles, and a mini fridge with beer, Coke, water, Sprite, and a Fanta. And it's stocked daily. A desk if you have pressing work. Always when I am away, I answer emails. Sometimes a bit delayed because I am working, but nonetheless I do answer. There's a control by the bed for air conditioning. Alarm clock, another lamp, plug-ins, and I have to say this bed looks very inviting. There is an overhead fan. So while you are in your bed, perhaps glancing at a TV show, you are also looking out at the view. And this bag is included when you are on this floor. So you can take this bag home, and it has beach towels, and there's a nice lounge chair in a really soft purple velvet. And this is the view you're greeted with as soon as you open the curtains. This resort, even though it looks as if it's massive, over there we are actually looking at the Now Resort, which is family friendly. This is Secrets adult only. It has swim out rooms, as you can see. It has a gazebo. Seems to be kids lined up there. Several pools. Fabulous beach. And all the rooms face the ocean. So there are the apartments and hotels of Puerto Vallarta. You can rent sea-doos, book excursions that include water excursions. I have done catamaran rides to private beaches and gone snorkeling. So there is a lot to do here in Puerto Vallarta. And one of the greatest draws, in my opinion, is to walk on the Malecon. That's a walkway about, I think it's close to 2 kilometers. It's the most fabulous walkway. They have lots of street entertainment, tequila tasting, restaurants, lots of fun. So when you're in Puerto Vallarta, there's always something to do. Deep sea fishing, sailing, parasailing. So if you feel that coming to Puerto Vallarta is something you would be interested in, call me, Susan at Escapes, and let's plan your next family vacation, romantic getaway, destination wedding, multi-generational family holiday. Puerto Vallarta is only 5 hours on a flight direct from Vancouver, so you can be leaving the cold and coming to this beautiful heat. It's 29 degrees right now. And you could be in this room, about to open a bottle of wine, perhaps put on your bathing suit, maybe have a quick sip of champagne, and down to the pool. Call me and let's plan your next fabulous vacation.